Good day everyone, my name is Pagadora. I am from BAE 3-1 CPT, and for today we will be discussing about the development of agriculture into business. In our discussion, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano nga man nagde-develop yung agriculture into business or mas kilala nating agribusiness. Introduction: Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. Alam natin na sa agriculture dito naka-include yung preparation of plant and animal products for people to use and their distribution to markets. Also, agriculture provide most of the world's food and fabric. Yung agribusiness naman is the business sector encompassing farming and farming-related commercial activities. So, dito naka-involve dito lahat ng step required to send an agricultural good to market, namely production, processing, and distribution. Sabi dito, agriculture is considered as a business. It is a business in that farmers use land, labor, and capital for the produce of goods to be sold. Did you know that the farming for the market is a business? Dahil ginagawa natin ang pagpa-farming in the hope and expectation nakikita tayo. At yun rin naman yung isa sa mga pangunahing goal natin in terms of agricultural business, ang kumita. In the development of agriculture into business, tinatawag natin itong agribusiness or agriculture plus business. The term agribusiness is used to refer to economic activities derived from or connected to farm products. In other words, or to make it simple, ito yung crop production as well as crop processing, transportation, and distribution. What is agribusiness? Agribusiness is the interdependency of agriculture process from planting to market. Or kung papalawakin natin, sabi dito, agribusiness or yung development of agriculture into business refers to agriculture-related activities that put farmers, processors, distributors, and consumers within a system that produces, processes, transports, markets, and distributes agricultural products. In explanation, ito yung chain of services na kung saan ay nag-a-add tayo ng value at binabago natin yung mga product na umaabot mula sa production ng ating mga raw commodity hanggang sa pag-deliver natin ito sa mga consumer. You know what guys, medyo technical yung definition niya, especially for the ones who barely has an idea kung ano nga ba yung agribusiness o yung development of agriculture into business. So para mas mapadali, i-explain ko siya sa inyo. For example, itong kamote o yung tinatawag nating sweet potato. Minsan ginagawa natin siyang kamote chips or even high-end sweet potato chips. Kung mapapansin natin, magkakaiba ang target market ng bawat product na sinabi ko. Yung kamote ay nabibenta sa palengke. Yung kamote chips ay makikita natin na binibenta sa mga bus station or bilihan ng mga chichirya. Habang yung high-end sweet potato chips naman ay mabibili natin sa mga mahaling grocery store. Yung iba pa dito ay mga branded, kaya mas mahal. And since na-explain ko na siya, pupunta naman tayo sa components of agribusiness. So sa components of agribusiness, meron tayong 4. Yun ay yung planning, production, processing, and marketing. Planning, to systematically consider all the facets of the business. In so doing, to become more knowledgeable of the business, the industry, and the market environment in which the business operates. Natutulungan tayo ng pagpaplano to identify the goals of the farm business, kung ano yung gusto nating ma-accomplish, ma-identify the farm's inventory and resources, kung ano ba yung mga kulang, and what we have to work with. Lastly, ma-assess yung farm business and the environment in which it operates, like where we are and where we may want to go. Second one is the production. The operations undertaken to supply agricultural products in the state in which they occur in the farm, including initial packaging and labeling of the product. So sa production, papasok dito yung quantity ng product to be produced and what standard of quality. So technically, the production of our commodity, the processing facility kasama na ang labor requirements, storage, and transport resources are required. Ano ba yung mga risk at mga plans to mitigate the risk? Lastly, how will this lead to profit or kung paano nga ba natin mapapagkakitaan yung ating mga commodity? The third one is processing. Any activity that maintains or raises the quality or alters the physical or chemical characteristics of a material or object or adds value to it in any way whatsoever. Sa processing naman, dito napapasok yung ating branding or yung labeling natin, yung grading or yung categorization, yung cleaning or yung separation, yung bagging, yung certification kung saan at kung kailan required, and yung standards from buyers, local and international, market specific. The last component is the marketing. Marketing covers the services involved in moving an agricultural product from the farm to the consumer. So sa marketing, ito na yung management process na kung saan yung mga commodities and services ay gumagalaw from concept to the customer. Papasok dito yung identification, selection, and development ng ating mga commodity or ng product natin. I-determine yung price and selection of distribution channel para ma-reach natin yung mga customer place and yung development and implementation ng ating mga promotional strategy. In summary, makikita natin ang kabuuan ng ating discussion about development of agriculture into business. Una dito yung paghahanap natin ng opportunities para sa ating agribusiness. Susundan nito ng pagpaplano bago tayo magsimula. Yung financial planning, quantity and quality production and profits, value addition and processing, marketing strategies, and return on investments. This list of plans and activities can contribute hindi lang sa pagde-develop ng agriculture into business at pagpapataas ng value ng ating mga commodities, kundi ay makakatulong din ito sa mga inclusive growth at rural development ng gobyerno natin dito sa ating bansa. And because of this, nakaposisyon ng sector ng agribusiness na malaki ang contribution sa pag-develop ng industry ng economy ng ating bansa. And that ends our discussion for today. Thank you so much for listening.